There, baby, all night. Bang!
Take a look on the outside. Can't see from there. It's bad. Let's try another window. All right. Still bad. Let's try another way. There we go. Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah. Woo! It's bad. It's really, really bad, but safety first. So, flights are canceled, but that's a good thing. Stay your ass in the terminal and stay safe. We'll fly again tomorrow. Sorry for the inconvenience, but safety first.
Yeah. Sing Spanish. Welcome back. Sing Spanish music. Yeah. Big life, big dream. Twin Stallions, what's your dream? Big life, big dream. Twin Stallions.
The sea is coming out real heavy now. They working. We got the safety team cleaning up the snow. We got one more flight. Yeah, it looks like he's gonna make it out. And that's it for the night. Everything closed. Shop closed till tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone. There, baby, all night. Bang! Woo-hoo! Waiting on y'all. We're working here. We're cleaning snow here.
It's bad outside. When I say bad, yeah, it's bad. Yeah, it's rough. It is getting bad, yep. It is rough. These guys cleaning the snow, they're doing a good job so far. Keep it up. Doing their thing. Good job, buddy. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
It's snowing right now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But anyway, it's light snow, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
So now we're in Amsterdam, and this is the lounge here where you could sit and wait for your flight. Very beautiful.
Yeah.